what's going on, everyone? I got a new project car here. Some of you guys may have seen this on my Instagram already, but here it is. So I've had this thing for about 6 months now. I picked it up in December. So the Alero was getting pretty rough. The rear frame rails were pretty rusty. They probably would not have survived a good impact in the back end. Same with the rear rebar for the bumper. They rot out all the time. The exhaust was starting to rot off it too, being that I used pieces of aluminized. So that would have had to been redone as well, along with a bunch of body work. It's easier just to start with a cleaner shell, and this is what I have here. It's a 2003 with 106,000 kilometers on it now. When I picked it up, it had about just under 101. It's not bad for being an 03 in the Rust Belt. So a couple spots I'm gonna have to clean up. You see rust starting there. Does need some rockers. They're pretty crusty. Some other spots I gotta touch up before I keep driving it through the winters and stuff. It's probably the worst spot here. But it's still solid, so it can all be fixed up. It does need to get a pretty good detail. I just have not got around to that yet. Just trying to find a day to devote to actually clean it all up. The interior is pretty clean on it. I believe it was a one-owner car. From what I understand, it was an older couple that had it. Everybody always gets a kick out of how clean the interior is with the lettering still on the buttons and not wore off or anything yet. Dash is still nice and clean. A little bit of curl on the driver's side there, just at the corner, but it's not too bad. And it's got a sunroof too. Current mileage, so it's bone stock 3400. It's got the fancy Ram Air on it. Other than that, nothing special about this thing. I do have some plans for this. I am thinking of eventually doing a turbo setup on it. If you guys kind of want to see that build, let me know in the comments. Drop a like. Even just drop a like if you just want to see this thing get built. Also probably going to do a 5-speed swap on it. I do have pretty much all the parts needed to do that right now. Thinking of testing some stuff like the 3500 intake, just using the stock throttle body with an adapter. Also thinking of maybe swapping out the exhaust manifolds for some 3500 ones, build a custom crossover, just to see if any of that stuff makes a difference. Also thinking of cutting the resonator off soon here, putting in an aftermarket one, like a straight through design. Hopefully give a little bit more sound, not too much. It's nice having it be nice and quiet, just driving this thing around. Not too much attention drawn to you, but just need a little bit more sound at the back, especially when you have the sunroof open and everything. Kind of want to hear it, so kind of don't want to go too crazy with this thing, but I kind of do want to go crazy with this thing. So basically the plans right now are to get a baseline run on this, which I have already done. I'll post those in another video. But other than that, basically have a blank canvas here to start with. So let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments. What kind of direction we should take this in. If you want to see some testing on some easier mods, we can try those out. Or if you just want to see a budget turbo setup being done first instead of worrying about all the other stuff, let me know on that. Maybe we'll just start with that right away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.